Hello, my name is Marisa Nuristio. My student ID number is 2023-32099. In this report, I will explain the use case diagram of an automated teller machine, or ATM. System this diagram illustration how user and bank office interact with the ATM to carry out various banking activities. 1. General description of the system. This use case diagram represents an ATM system that operates 24 hours a day to serve bank customer and bank office. The ATM allow customer to perform basic transactions such as withdrawal and balance inquiry. For security purpose, the ATM verifies each user using a PIN code. If the PIN is entered incorrectly 3 times in a row, the system will retain or swallow the card automatically. The ATM also requires regular cash refilling, which the carried out by the bank office every 2 days. However, there may be cases where cash run out before the scheduled refill time. 2. Actor in the system. 1. Customer, ATM user. The customer is main actor who interact directly with the ATM to perform all transaction-related activity. This include interacting the card, enter the PIN, checking the account balance, withdrawing money, and taking the card back after the transaction is complete. And 2. Bank office. The bank office is responsible for maintaining the ATM operation by refill cash when it's run low and ensure that machine remains functional for user at all times. And 3. Use case and description. A. Insert card into ATM. The transaction begins when the customer inserts their ATM card into the machine. This action allows the system to read the customer card data and verify the account before processing to the next step. And B. Enter PIN. After the card is successfully inserted, the ATM requests the user to enter their personal identification number or PIN. The PIN acts as a security check to ensure that the user is the rightful cardholder, and this process indirectly linked to the card retention or solid. Case stroke and include relationship, which means if the PIN entered incorrectly 3 times, the system will automatically retain the card. And C. Card retention and or swallow. The function occurs when the user fails to enter the correct PIN. After 3 attempts, the ATM will automatically retain the card for safety reasons. This use case is considered and include part of enter PIN process because it only occurs under specific error condition related to user authentication. And D. Withdraw cash. After successfully entering the PIN, the user can choose to withdraw money for their account. The ATM will process the request, verify the account balance, and dispense the cash is sufficient fund and cash availability exists. This use case has an extended relationship with cash out of stock because that situation may occur during withdrawal if the machine has no available cash. And E. Cash out of stock. This use case represents an exceptional situation where the ATM cannot dispense money due to running out of cash. It extends for the withdrawal cash process, meaning it happens only as an optional scenario, not as a standard part of the transaction. And F. Check account balance. The user may also check their account balance through this use case. After the PIN verification, the customer can view the remaining balance before deciding to perform another transaction. This process provides transparency and allow the user to monitor their finance. And G. Retrieve card. Once all transactions are complete, the ATM returns the user card. This step finals the transaction process and ensures that the customer does not leave their card in the machine. It represents the last step in the customer interaction flow with the ATM. And H. Refill cash. This process involves the bank office, who is responsibility for refill cash into the ATM machine. This task is carried out routinely every 2 days or early if the cash supply run out sooner. Although this use case is free from customer interaction, it is essential for maintaining continuous ATM operation. And for relationship between use case, the enter pin use case has an include relationship with card retention swallowed because the card retention feature is automatically triggered when the user enter the wrong pin 3 times. The withdraw cash use case has an extended relationship with cash. With cash occurs, the ATM has insufficient cash. The main flow of user interaction is a follow, insert card, enter pin, withdraw cash or check balance, retrieve card. Meanwhile, the refill cash process is performed separately by the bank office to ensure that the ATM remains functional. Okay, thank you. See you.